Hi guys! Thanks for joining me on another video. Feels like it's been forever, but it really hasn't, so I'm glad to make another video today. Something inspired me to make this, and it was the law of attraction. I've been using the law of attraction a lot lately. I've always kind of used it, but especially as of lately, I've been using it a lot. And I realized that I've also been using the law of attraction within lucid dreaming as well, and that's honestly the most effective way that I have found to manifest things into our reality. Now, for those of you who don't know what the law of attraction is, I'm sure a majority of you do, but just in case, I just want to cover that really quick. The law of attraction is basically manifesting things into your reality by thought and feeling. So usually when you manifest something, you will think about what you want, whether it is a job, whether it is money, whether it is a relationship, whether it is a change of thought patterns, how you think, how you feel. This can be used for self-doubt, confidence, basically anything that you want. There aren't really any limits to the law of attraction, at least from what I found. And so lucid dreaming is actually an amazing tool for manifesting into your reality. Usually through the law of attraction, you want to concentrate on what you want, and you want to imagine the feeling of already having it, as if you've already gotten it. And what that does is sends that high frequency into the universe, and since you're matching at the frequency that you want to receive, it ends up coming into your reality. This is scientifically proven. If you haven't learned too much about manifestation and the law of attraction in general, I definitely recommend watching The Secret, which is my favorite documentary on the law of attraction. Tons of awesome information. It really gets you pumped to try manifesting into reality, because it shows you how much power we actually have. Now, with manifestation, it is all about the feeling and strong visualization. You want to visualize whatever you're wanting as vividly as possible. For instance, a lot of people want to manifest more money. So what you do, at least what I like to do, is when I go to bed, I will imagine counting money. If I want to manifest $3,000, $100, $1, whatever amount of money you want to manifest, you want to visualize counting that money and how good it feels to have that money. You want to imagine the smell of it, the feel of it, the feeling of having all of that money. And what creates a good manifestation technique is strong visualization and strong feeling. It is attached to the feeling of having something. A lot of the time, we think we're manifesting money, but we got to look at our relationship with money. When we see money, do we think about the lack of money? Do we think about how depressed we are because we don't have the money? That could be causing resistance within manifesting into our reality, because our frequency with money is a negative association. So what we're doing is changing our thought around money or whatever we want to manifest and creating a good positive feeling like we already have it. Now, the reason why I believe this ties really well into lucid dreaming is because when you're in a lucid dream, you are not just visualizing something. You are immersed in an entire world that is created by your own mind. This is a very vivid reality. You can engage with all of your senses, whether it is smelling, tasting, touching, seeing things, even pain you can feel in a lucid dream. So it is a replica of this reality, and sometimes even more vivid than this reality, which is super mind-boggling if you've never had a lucid dream. Like, it is just like this reality, or more vivid, believe it or not. It's absolutely incredible. And now let's talk about how to actually manifest through a lucid dream. Now, it's a lot easier sometimes than using visualization techniques, because like I said, we are immersed in this reality. And if you've ever lucid dreamed before, or if you've looked into how to lucid dream, you know that you can manifest things right in front of you within the lucid dream. Now, your brain cannot tell the difference if you are awake or dreaming. So if you manifest tons of money in the lucid dream and you are counting it, you are able to experience what it feels like, what it smells like, everything about what you're trying to manifest is right in front of you. And your brain thinks it's actually happening. So for me, that is the most vivid form of manifestation. You can, if you're looking to manifest a new job, for example, maybe your dream job, you'll want to act that out in the lucid dream. You'll want to manifest the scenario of being in your dream job and being able to experience it just like real life. This not only creates a really strong feeling around what you want, but you are seeing it, you are experiencing it, you are touching it. It is where your consciousness is at in that moment. You're sleeping in your bed, but your mind is completely somewhere else, and you are experiencing exactly what you want to manifest. Now, I've been using it for money recently, as we were talking about earlier. That's what most people want to manifest, if we're being honest. I mean, there's tons of things that we can manifest, and I'm sure there's tons of things that everybody wants, but a huge, huge collective idea is to manifest more money. And so basically that's what I do. I will manifest money into my existence in the lucid dream, which is super easy. All of it's based on thought. That whole realm is based on thought. So as soon as you think something or expect something to happen, it's going to happen, which is very beneficial and convenient for manifestation, because you're already in the lucid dream. You're already experiencing this entire world created by your mind. Why not use some manifestation in it as well? So you're going to close your eyes, or you can even do this before you go into lucid dream. So just write down on paper, okay, I'm going to bed. I'm going to lucid dream tonight. I'm going to affirm that I'm in a lucid dream. And I'm also going to manifest money or my dream job or getting rid of my anxiety or anything that you want to work on and manifest. Once you get lucid, you might already be in the scenario you're wanting to experience because you're thinking about it right before bed. But if you're not, you can easily close your eyes in the lucid dream and manifest what you want directly in front of you. You can literally just close your eyes and be like, okay, as soon as I open my eyes, so-and-so is going to be there, or this is going to be right in front of me. Anything that you want. But let's use money, as we were talking about earlier, because I know a lot of people want to manifest more money, as do we all. So you're going to either find a bank, find someone who's going to give you money in the lucid dream, any way that you want to attain what you're looking for. Once you have it, I also recommend saying positive affirmations while you're counting the money or while you're experiencing what you want to experience. I am so happy now that blank. I am so happy now that I have enough money to support myself. I am so happy now that money comes to me quickly and easily. I'm so happy now that I have $10,000. Whatever you want, say your manifestation while you're in the lucid dream. Experience it. Use all of your senses. Smell the money, touch the money. If you want to, taste the money. Like whatever you can to immerse yourself in this world with what you're wanting to manifest, do it. And I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but anything done in the lucid dream is 7 to 9 times more powerful than in the waking state. So this also means that our visualization and our manifestation is going to be 7 to 9 times more powerful than if we did it while we were awake. So I definitely recommend trying this. You can do it for anything, truly anything. Test the limits. You know, if you think that you can manifest something or do something within the lucid dream, test it out. Set your own little experiments to see what you can do. There's endless possibilities within lucid dreaming, but I feel like anybody can use some awesome manifestation in their life. And if you sleep, you dream. And if you dream, you can definitely lucid dream. So this is a really easy way to access our subconscious, not to only get rid of fears, habits, thought patterns, addictions, everything we've talked about before, but you can also use it to manifest things into your existence or experience things that you haven't experienced in real life yet, or things that you would be impossible to experience. You can literally do anything within this state. But that is a couple ideas to try within lucid dreaming if you're wanting to manifest something specifically. And this can even be done with physical health as well. I actually just had a lucid dream 2 days ago, and I didn't plan to get lucid, but I did a reality check in my dream. And since I've created that habit in waking life, when I went into my dream, I was like, okay, it's time to do reality check. And as soon as I started to count my fingers, I had an extra pinky, and I automatically knew that I was dreaming. And I was like, okay, I didn't make any plans because I didn't think I was going to get lucid, So number one, always make a plan and assume you're going to get lucid just in case you end up in this situation. But what I did was like, okay, I've had some stomach pains and things in the past, and I kind of want to work on that to keep it going. Because when I get stressed sometimes, or I'm experiencing a lot of anxiety, I will start to feel that stomach pain again. From what I told you guys earlier, I had gastritis and a few other things, ulcers, things that I was working on in my stomach. And I have completely transformed this through lucid dreaming. I don't take any medications. I don't even have any doctor visits anymore. Like, it is completely controlled just by lucid dreaming. So what I did in this dream 2 days ago, I just put my hands on my stomach. I imagined white healing energy going into my stomach, and I just said, thank you so much for my healing. My stomach is completely healed, and I just kept repeating that. When I woke up, I had absolutely no stomach pain, which I was experiencing for a few days due to stress. It's completely gone, because my brain actually thinks it's happening. And if I tell myself that I'm already healed, and I'm thinking for being healed like it already happened, my brain already thinks that it's taken care of, because it's experiencing it. It's experiencing what it feels like to have that, since we're using the manifestation within the lucid dream. We don't just have to visualize anymore. We can use lucid dreaming to experience anything, and it's when we are sleeping. So everyone has time for it. I mean, it takes a little bit of time to learn this skill, but it's definitely worth it once you experience it, because we have 5 to 6 REM periods during a night's sleep, which means 5 to 6 chances to lucid dream. So I would recommend before you go to bed, just write out what you plan to do in your lucid dream, what you want to work on, and then keep that as your main focus, and just set goals. Once you've done one thing or accomplished one thing, set another goal for something to try in a lucid dream. But definitely add trying manifestation to your lucid dreaming list, because I use it all the time, and it is very awesome to experience exactly what you're wanting anyways, to be able to experience exactly what it's like in a 3D simulation. It is absolutely incredible, and I just wanted to make that video because manifestation is a huge part of my life, as is lucid dreaming, and so I wanted to see if this is something you guys would benefit from, which I'm sure a lot of you will. So thank you so much for tuning in. That's just a quick little video on manifestation and lucid dreaming. Definitely let me know if you have any questions. Leave your comments down below as well, and I will make sure to answer anything that you guys have questions about. All right, with love and lucidity.